Hello everybody, this is Shayan. Today in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to make this CRUD operation by using PHP and MySQL database. Let me show you the example what we are going to make. We'll have a form of enter player information. We have form here. You can enter name, player name. You can see player name, market value. For example, position, center forward, club name, FC Barcelona, and submit it. When you submit it, you see this is the data it's showing from the database. CRUD. C stand for create, R stand for read, U stand for update, and D stand for delete. Okay. Now let's update any of these. For example, this Lionel Messi, update it. Just click on this edit button. Let's make it only forward and submit once again. You can see the position is changed of Messi. This is only forward. We are going to use Wamp server. Here you can just click on this download button, start using Wamp server. Wamp server for 64 bits. To continue with this tutorial, you need to learn basic PHP, MySQL, HTML, and CSS. Of course, for web development and design, you must know about HTML and CSS. And we are going to use a text editor, that is Atom. This is totally free. You can just go to atom.io from this website. Just click on this download button. Okay, once you have downloaded these two files, Atom and Wamp server, then it's time to install it. Its installation process is very simple. So just you need to click next few times. So I'm going to speed up this video. Okay, if you are getting any problem with installing xampp or Wamp, then alternatively you can install xampp or any other server. This is very similar. Okay, when you install it Wamp, in the C drive you will have a folder that is Wamp. When you install xampp, you will have a folder that is xampp. From here, when you install xampp, you need to use this htdoc file. You see all the project I have made here, just making a folder and doing this here. Okay, inside Wamp I'll create another project that will be inside www. Okay, let's create that folder. The folder name will be PHP CRUD. Okay, if you have installed Atom, you should have a welcome screen. Ignore it, just click on this file, add project folder. From here you just need to go Windows, C drive, XAMPP, where you made a folder, www. In case if you are in XAMPP folder, then you should create this folder, this PHP CRUD folder inside htdoc. Okay, now when you install Wamp server, you'll get a shortcut. From here you just need to start your server. You see on the right corner you have a local server, this button. Okay, when the Wamp server button is being, just click here once and click on this localhost. For XAMPP, what you need to do, you need to just start your Apache server and MySQL database. After that you need to go localhost. localhost, just write like this and it will get this folder. By default this is the home page, but when you go to PHP CRUD, this is our folder we have made. Now we are going to make a file that is index.php. In case if you don't know PHP, then I will recommend you to watch PHP videos. You will get lots of videos from YouTube. Watch those and learn PHP first. After that, come here. Okay, index.php by default when we have go to this folder PHP code, by default this index.php will be work. Okay, before that go to file, setting, here install few plugins, just write PHP enter. You can use any of this. I am using this darken, this PHP, this on and this on. You see aligner PHP. These two for now I am using. Okay. Okay, now just I'm going to write some basic HTML code. For that, just write HTML and press tab. It will give you the basic syntax of HTML. Just write PHP CRUD h3, press tab. This is PHP CRUD tutorial. Save and reload the page once again. It should come. This is PHP CRUD tutorial. Okay, now we need to create user interface. Just copy and paste the index PHP code from here. I will give the link in the description of this video. Just copy, okay, copy and paste it here. Control A, paste it here, save it, and we need an image. This is the image. Once again I'm saying that you can find this this post from the link in the description of this video. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to save it in the home server. PHP CRUD, I'll create a new folder that will be ing. I'll create okay, that's it. Now I'll create few more folder, CSS, JS, partials, config. Okay, that's all for now.